Good morning, everyone. Our today's lecture in performance management system is the topic, which is introduction about performance management system. So, as you see, performance management system is consist of three words. First is performance, second is management, and third is system. So, first we will talk about each word individually. So performance is basically concerned with the overall performance of an employee in the organization. So, in every organization, every employee has certain set of roles and responsibility. So, uh, to what extent he has performed to achieve his roles and responsibility clearly, that is called his performance in the organization. Second is management. So for the management, we have talked about it many times, that management is an art of getting things done with the functions which involve planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. And system is a framework where these functions of management can involve. So combining these three concepts, we can obviously say that performance management system is basically a tool, and it is used to communicate organizational goals to the employees individually and allot individuals accountability towards the uh, achievement of goal uh, in the organization, and side by side tracking of the progress of achievement of those goals assigned and evaluation of that assignment uh, on the basis of the individual's performance. So performance management system reflects the individual's performance or the accomplishment of employee, which evaluates and keep track on all employees in the organization. So it is very much important when it comes to managing an organization. So performance management system is basically a tool which helps managers to manage their resources and eventually result in success of the organization. Performance management system is a broader term which includes many activities in the organization which is related to measurement of performance of an employee in the organization. HR function, it is basically a HR function which includes activities such as joint goal setting, frequent communication, continuous progress review, feedback of the performance, and rewarding and for the achievement of the employees. So this is the concept of performance management system. Now there are certain aspects which are considered when it comes to managing performance in the organization. So we will talk about these aspects one by one. So first aspect is providing career development support and promotional guidance to the employees. So what a performance management does, it uh, contribute individually as well as socially. So by supporting in career development programs, because on the basis of these performance management, an employee can be promoted or can be provided with some training and guidance to handle the key positions in the organization. So there is a possibility of career development of for an employee in the organization, and this is happening because of the performance management and evaluation. So providing career development support is one of the important aspect when it comes to individual employees development, and promotional guidance to the employees, because on the basis of these performance evaluation, an employee may get promotions, transfers, or increments. Second aspect of performance management system is it helps in giving regular feedback and coaching during the period of delivery of performance. So performance management system is not a one-time event which is occurring yearly. It is a continuous event because it helps in providing the areas where employees are lacking on the basis of the regular feedback, and on the basis of that feedback the proper training or coaching can be given to the employee to rectify their performance. Then the third aspect is proper selection and proper selection process, selecting right set of people. So performance management comes with performance evaluation, which is called as uh, performance appraisal. So on the basis of performance appraisal, when it is seen that uh, on certain positions certain kind of employees are not getting the work properly, so it may have possibility that there is a loophole in selection process. So on the basis of that performance management system, one can rectify the selection process as well, so that they can choose right people for the right work. Next aspect is making clear job description and employee performance plan. So once you are as a HR manager, you are preparing a job designing and job description, so it you may leave certain aspects which are important for performing that particular job, because job description is the information about the job. So when you prepare job description on the paper, so it may have possibility that you may leave certain important aspect which is related to performance of that job. But in performance management, when performance evaluation is done, in that case the performance of employee uh, certainly encompasses that particular aspect. So on the basis of that particular aspect of employee performance management basis, one can clearly describe the job and how that job can be performed. So performance plan can also be rectified on the basis of performance management system. Then the next aspect is arranging training and development program based on evaluation of performance of the employee. So as we discussed earlier also, on the basis of performance evaluation, if there is a need of certain kind of training or development program for the employees to rectify their performance or to increase their productivity, so on the basis of performance management that can also be done. And the last aspect is conducting the exit interview in order to know the reason of discontentment from the organization. So on the basis of performance management system, when an employee is leaving the organization, so exit interviews are also conducted. So in the exit interview, one can elaborate the kind of loophole or the problem area which is on the basis of that reason the employee cannot perform very well. So in that, these reasons can be very beneficial and helpful when it comes to further making improvement in the organization. So the reason of disconnectment of the employee from the organization uh, can also give an organization insight that what are the problem areas in the organization and how to rectify those problems. So these are the aspects of performance management system. So in this lecture we have studied about the concept of performance management system and the aspects which is related to performance management system. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.